What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights to the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, like button for the YouTube algorithm, and do not forget to subscribe, man. All I'm asking for is 1,500 likes on this video if y'all would like to see more bone technical analysis as we move closer and closer towards Shibarium. But a lot of people have been asking me, can I do a bone technical analysis video? So here it is, y'all. We're gonna dig straight into it. Now, obviously, you have to understand this is not financial advice. I do not have a crystal ball here. I could be absolutely wrong. So keep that in mind and do your own due diligence. Now, let's take a look at what we got right here on the chart. So take a look at this pattern forming right off the bat. We got bone at 164.95. It is forming a bullish candle. You see this candle right here. That shows there's a lot of buying pressure, which this candle is basically like a little bottle rocket. You could think of it. It's a bottle rocket candle showing that there's pressure pushing to the upside. Also, you know, some might consider it a hammer candle at the bottom of a downtrend, which could signal that we hammered out a bottom for this area. Also, if you take a look, we found support multiple times around this $1.50, what is that? $1.58 range. The price didn't want to drop below, so we're going to use that as a, you know, a sign as well. So let's just throw a horizontal line right there for some support, just to get an idea where the chart is finding some support. So also, if we look at this, so let's take that off so we don't clog up the chart. But I want y'all to take a look at this pattern that's forming here first. So some people may consider this a cup and handle pattern forming. So we got the same thing forming similar on the Shiba Inu chart. I'll draw it out so it's more easier for you to see. So we want to measure from one high where the price pulls back. Let me turn on the highlighter. Okay, so one area where the price pulls back, we go all the way down to where the price finds support at, right in this area here, around 69-ish cent. And the price recovery we can see, and then we move up back to where we have the high forming, and we start to see some pullback here in this range forming the handle. So same thing playing out on the Shiba Inu chart right now. And if we were to, you know, trade this pattern, what we would do is measure from the bottom, from the support area or the bottom of the cup, and measure to the opening of the cup. Make sure you get that straight. Okay, so measure right around to that opening of the cup, and that will give us our breakout. So let's throw a horizontal line right here. So now we would take this line and put it on top of this one to measure for the breakout, and that would take us around 277. So let's zoom out and see if we got any areas of significance that match with that. Okay, so we got to remember the CoinMarketCap chart only has up till June 11, 2022. So we can't, we don't get all the data right here, but I'm pretty sure this will align with some historical significant areas in the chart. So take a look. We got a potential breakout to that 276 level. Don't be surprised if you see it happen. Obviously, this is not financial advice. It likely could not play out that way, so you want to keep that in mind. But that's just what we see for now. So we also have to talk about the opposite side of things. If things pull back, where can we see the price finding support? So we do have a support level right there. If we can keep that 158-ish range, even if pull down there, we might stay bullish. We might just complete the handle right there. But if we don't, and we drop under that range, then it looks like around that 120-ish, right around that 120-ish range, give or take a little bit. If we don't hold that range, then we got some support right around $1.04. The next level around 89 cents. And then it works its way all the way back down to that 69-ish or 70 cent per coin. So that's what's likely to happen for Bone. Obviously, the price can go a lot higher because we have a major catalyst coming up, which is Shibarium. Bone will be the gas token. So like I said, I wouldn't be surprised if we see Bone close to $5 leading up to the time of Shibarium. But for right now, this is what the chart is telling us is likely to play out. Now, again, I do not have a crystal ball. This can be wrong. overall macro conditions have to fall in alignment with it for this to play out. If we get some type of negative news that's major, FTX collapsing, Robinhood collapsing, Coinbase, Binance getting sued or something, these types of things that we don't heard of before. If that takes place, then obviously all this information will change and we have to reanalyze the data. So keep that in mind. But that's all we got for this video. Give me a like on this video if you appreciate Bone Token technical analysis as well. Appreciate y'all for pulling up. If you like the hat, check it out. First link in the description section of this video, something similar. And we are